This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect pretty much any Bluetooth headset to your PlayStation 5. Even though it's not supported natively, you can go out and you can buy one of these Bluetooth transmitter adapters. This one's from UGREEN, bought off Amazon for like $15. And this is what it looks like. It's USB-C. Hold down the sync button right here and put your device into the Bluetooth pairing mode and it should sync up. So let's just plug it in to from my PlayStation 5 Pro. So I'm just going to plug it in here. And then you have to figure out your headset situation. So let's plug it in, hold down that sync button. Should flash red and green. Okay. Go to your headset now and just hold it on, turn it on and put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Okay, my headset's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. The light is blinking, and this one's connected to my headset or my Xbox already, so I'm just going to do it again. So I'm going to hold it down. The light is blinking. Now they should sync up here in a second, and you'll see it's going to be solid blue. Okay, and the two are synced up now. So I'm getting audio through there. Now you want to go to the PlayStation 5 settings and switch over the audio if it hasn't switched over already. So press the PlayStation button, go to sound, switch the output to the UGREEN BT501. Then here's the volume slider. Go to the microphone and switch the microphone to your controller. You're not able to use the microphone on the headset, but you are able to use the microphone on the controller still. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.